Just in love with this screen sharing on the live. So I'm just playing with it. And this, I was just going to show you my blog, both of them. I got both. So, I don't know. Have you ever wanted to blog, or do you blog? This is for like newbies, because I was a newbie. This is how to get set up. So, if you want to blog, which is a great way to get it out to all your masses, this is an easy and free way to do it. Because then you can go to Blogger and you just get a site on there and then you blog. And if you don't know what blogging is, do you know what that is? Like, it's writing a story and then posting it as a blog. But the fun thing is vlogging is a video blog. So a video blog is just a blog, but it has a video in it. And the coolest thing about it is that when you look on YouTube, there is a oops, no, not that. There's a share button. And with the share button, you'll see it has a B on it for Blogger. Blogger is where you can go and put your video from YouTube up on your Blogger site, which is your blog site, but now you have a video on your blog, so that is called a vlog. So I just kind of realized this and started doing it. So it's really cool. It's working slow because I'm doing all of these things on my computer at once, and I have so much to share. I have so many sites to make you look at. But if you're really going to understand this, this is where you go first to set up Blogger. See blogger.com. You just go to that and you click on this, create your blog. How easy is that? That's simple. So then you just create your blog. Then you set it up and you put out your basic info. So I'm trying to get it to that thing where you can see it. Oh, there you go. This is where you can, it's just your whole little thing. You can have drafts here. You can have the vlogs here. Blogs. It's actually blogs, but I have actually put all my videos on here to make a video blog, which means I'm vlogging everywhere. And these are my published ones, my all ones, and this, so this is where you do a new post. There you go, a new post. But as you saw on my YouTube thing, it's so easy just to do it from YouTube. You just click that Blogger site and you set the Blogger button on there, Blogger, and then it opens it up and it has a new blog ready for you to go. And it already put the title in there, so you can add some little thing about it down here and, you know, whatever you want to do. But I have actually already added this one, so I'm just going to close it out. And I'm going to say leave because I've already done that. That's very cool, right? So that is all you have to do. I don't even know. This thing is going to be so easy for you that haven't vlogged, or maybe if you've never vlogged. Here you go. Well, here's the other thing I'm going to get to. This vlogging is so easy to do. And once you get all of that set up, then you get your vlog. It's just like this. I think I had blogs like where you actually write out a story, but now I have just done videos because it's so easy. There's my actual blogging site. Actually has the idea of it. That's what I named it. Look at this. I named it in 2012. And I wrote one thing, and then I was like, oh no, I mean, actually I have one. So I found it in 2016, said I was going to do it. Only wrote, what, 2? Then I did another one. So I did 2 in 2016. Then I forgot about it. So then I did 5 in 2017. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to do it. Forgot about it. So now it's January. You see I did 7. And this month I've already done 3. So now I'm just getting into the mix of it. And I am showing you now. So this is what I did. I went to Blogger. I created my blog. You then get a site, which is just like this. And you just start creating a post, which is, you can just write your other story, whatever story you want, your blog, blah, blah, blah. And then, but the cool thing is what I was saying, is that you go to YouTube and you get a video from there, you push share, and on there you've got B for blogger. Isn't that cool? Tana, is that how I say it? Yeah, I think this is awesome too. That's why I'm sharing it. And hi, Steve. Yes, thank you. I am awesome. No, just kidding. I don't want to say I'm awesome, but I think this is awesome. I mean, I can't believe I found this out. I didn't really fight. I guess I did. I found it out, and I've just jumped on it now. So this blogger, it's right there. You hit blog, and then it sets you up for a new post. And there you are. You've got your post on there, and then they're all set up. So look, oh my goodness. Tuesday, January 13th, grateful for it all. Oh my gosh, there's my video. Look at it. It does them all. I just started putting everything on there. The other thing, oh my gosh, I can share one more thing on this. This is the other thing, because I kind of knew this, but had to learn it today. And you may already know this, but I have to say it. This vlog, I'm sorry, when you do a live, you probably already know this. When you do a live, you can then go up to the 3 dots in the corner when you're done with it. And you click on those 3 dots and it says download. You've probably seen this, but have you ever thought about this? Download it. So you download your live, and then you can upload it to YouTube. I don't know. You may have known that. You may have not. I just thought, duh, that's why you could download it, because then you put it on YouTube, and then you put it on your blog. It's amazing. So I always thought lives had to be like stuck on Facebook forever. And I was kind of like, whatever, you get it stuck on Facebook. No, you can get it off, and then you put it on YouTube, and then you put it on your blog. And then you can even link your blog up to your Facebook, or just make a new post and say, oh, here's my vlog, and have the site. I'm sorry, not vlog, blog. But you know what? If you do want a vlogging site, and this is another thing that you can do with a vlog. Here it is. You can set up a vlog, and I'm saying that different because it's a different thing than Blogger, but you get it for free. And when you get it for free and you get someone else to do it, and then somebody purchases the vlog for $77 a month, if that's the price it goes for, then let's say you didn't even buy the vlog, but you set it up and you got someone to go on it, and someone went on it and said, oh my gosh, I'm going to buy a vlog, and you are going to earn 25% of that $77. Isn't that cool? It's very cool, right? So, this is it. Welcome to my vlog. There it is. Here it is. Welcome to my vlog. So, if you were to go to vlogfollowashley.com, which I need to see if this went up. This went up, I believe. Yes. All right. So, there you go. This is the site that you go to, vlog.followashley.com. So vlog, like blog, but V for video, vlog.followashley.com. All right. So then when you go through this, and this, I was thinking about this. I was thinking, oh, I got to tell people about this blog and how you set it up on YouTube. And then I really remembered, oh yeah, I already have a vlog and you can make money from this vlog. So I might even like set up a thing on my blogger that says, oh my gosh, look at this. You can go to my vlog and get one for yourself. I guess you can use both of them. This is very cool because here you go. This is what your vlog looks like. You get to put your picture in it. Then you get to put your video in it. I have not put my video in it, but Mark is nice and he puts one in there for you until you get it up and get your own free vlog just like this one to brand you. You need to brand yourself, right? So, branding yourself. If you want a free vlog just like this one to brand yourself, have you heard about branding? If you're in business and you want to get yourself out there and maybe you're flooding your site with your product, you shouldn't be doing that. You need to brand yourself first. So, this is the perfect way to do it. And it's free and it can get you up. If you know how to market it, that is awesome. You just have to sign up, get your free vlog just like this. Go to vlogfollowashley.com and then you get this link. You click it and then you will be taken to the page to get your free vlog. Now, that's only if you want to get a free vlog. If you want to go to a webinar this Sunday and you got a question, you can ask Mark anything. There you go. You got something to ask about it? It's fine. But I'm telling you, you just want a free vlog just to have, just have it. Just have the free vlog today. You don't have to do anything with it. I don't get anything for it. You just have it and you just use it because you just use it to send people to it. Every day this gets updated with a new vlog. This one is The Secret to Self-Motivation by Mel Robbins. This is just a new video every day, inspirational things about entrepreneurs. Then there is Twitter. If you want to learn everything about Twitter, you can go on to this Twitter testimonies. Oh, that's for the Twitter leads. The Twitter lead training, you can get it free. I'm telling you, free. Another free thing. You get it free, and it's this cheat sheet of training on how to get your Twitter set up to get more followers, to market it right, to do the right marketing, to do the personal branding. That's what you need to do, personal branding. Don't be flooding it. Actually, on Twitter, you can put your product, but probably only 20% of your product. You want to do mostly your personal branding. So it's like 40% lifestyle, 20% branding, and 20% something. I can't remember the exact algorithm, but Mark's got it all. He's got it in this training, and then you can actually buy the training. There's another purchase you can do. You can send this out for people to buy it, and you get the commission, 25%. And if they buy it, then you get the 25%, and you haven't spent a nickel, a penny. But anyways, if you joined, then you were a platinum member of any of this, then you get 75%. That's really cool. Then there's another one that's up. It's downloaded every day. Like, these were different yesterday. I should really watch them because they disappear. But anyways, and then this other one, there's another free unlocked module of the Firestarter mentorship program replay. Oh my gosh, this was amazing. This is what the Firestarter program we went through in January. It told you all about the 6 components of making a lead generating video. I'm telling you, that's really good too. I didn't even know I was going to mention all this in my thing. All I wanted to tell you was my blogger, but I'm so excited about this too. Get your own free branded blog exactly like this one. There you go. That's what you want to do. You get it for free. And look, there's another story that's updated daily. It's like a vlog site with 3 inspirationals on there. This is like, you're supposed to have that personal development, 30 minutes to an hour a day. Some people spend 2 hours doing it. This is a perfect way to fill up your 30 minutes. Just watch these videos. Get your brain pumped with inspiration. Anyways, so that's all I'm going to say. Vlog.followashley.com. It's a great way to get your foot in the door. But blogger, you really want, if you're looking for a way to blog, or you want somewhere to put your blogs, you have that way. Create your own blog at blogger.com. Okay? And then you get it, and then you upload it, and you get them from YouTube, where you just click share and the blogger thing comes up. I'm just going over this with you really quick just so you get it. Anyways, I know I went forever, but I just had to. Oh my gosh, 19 minutes. I almost went 20 minutes. I'm sorry, but I got really excited. But anyways, I hope you watched the beginning just so you know how to set up your vlog. And I hope you get one today. All right, bye-bye.